Have you ever wondered how to earn your first $1 million? The first step is setting a specific goal. You see, a goal acts as both a compass and a roadmap, guiding your efforts and helping you stay on course. Let's look at an example. Suppose you've always dreamt of owning a beautiful home, a place you can truly call your own. In this case, your specific goal is to save up enough money for a down payment on that dream home. This is not just any goal, but a SMART goal. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. It gives you a clear target, a timeline, and a compelling reason to save. It's not just about wanting $1 million, it's about understanding why you want it and what you're willing to do to get there. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, so set that goal. Step 2. Create a detailed action plan. As with any journey, a map is crucial. This is where evaluating your incomes, expenses, and current financial resources comes into play. Picture this. You're a captain steering your financial ship. Your income is the wind in your sails, pushing you forward. Your expenses, on the other hand, are the waves that could potentially slow you down or even capsize your boat if not carefully managed. Your current resources act as your compass, guiding you in the direction you need to go. In crafting your financial map, you'll need to chart out where you're starting from and where you want to go. Think of your budget as a lighthouse, helping you navigate through the stormy seas of financial uncertainty. It's a tool that can help you avoid the dangerous rocks of debt and keep your financial ship on course. Remember, a plan in place sets the stage for success. Next up, step 3. Boost your earnings. When it comes to reaching that $1 million mark, every bit of income counts. Let's explore a few ways you can bump up your earnings. First off, consider side hustles. These are jobs or projects you take on in addition to your main source of income. Maybe you're a whiz at graphic design or have a knack for tutoring. Use those skills to earn some extra cash on the side. Next, think about online businesses. From selling handmade crafts to offering consulting services, the digital world is chock full of opportunities. Lastly, consider enhancing your qualifications. This could mean going for that advanced degree or certification, which could, in turn, lead to a higher paying job. Remember, these are just a few examples. There are countless ways to increase your income, so get creative and explore what works best for you. Every extra dollar earned is another step closer to your million. Step 4. Cut down on unnecessary expenses. Now this is where the rubber meets the road. It's not just about how much money you make, but how much you keep. And the key to keeping more is spending less. So let's get practical. First off, examine your spending habits. Look for any recurring costs that you can do without. That gym membership you never use, cancel it. Those monthly magazine subscriptions, let them go. And eating out? It's not just your waistline that will thank you for cooking more at home. Next, consider your larger expenses. Could you downsize your car or home to save on monthly payments and maintenance costs? Or perhaps you could renegotiate your utility bills or insurance premiums. Every little bit adds up. Lastly, always be mindful of your spending. Avoid impulse purchases and stick to your budget. Remember, living within your means is the cornerstone of financial success. Remember, a dollar saved is a dollar earned. Step 5. Start investing with a growth mindset. Investing is not just about parking your money somewhere and hoping for the best. It's about strategically placing your capital where it has the potential to grow. There are various avenues to consider. Stocks, for instance, offer the potential for high returns, but they also come with a certain level of risk. Bonds, on the other hand, are typically more stable, but may offer lower returns. Mutual funds can be a balanced option, providing a mix of stocks and bonds. Real estate can be a lucrative investment, especially in thriving markets. And let's not overlook the digital age's darling, cryptocurrencies, which have seen explosive growth, albeit with considerable volatility. Each investment option carries its own potential returns and associated risks. The key is to diversify, distributing your investments across different asset types to balance risk and reward. Investing is the key to growing your wealth. Step 6. Keep an eye on your financial progress. It's not enough to just set a goal and make a plan. You've got to track your progress regularly. This is where the real magic happens. It's like watching a seed you've planted start to sprout and grow. Think of it this way: you wouldn't try to lose weight without stepping on the scale, right? Similarly, you can't expect to attain your financial goals without keeping tabs on your finances. You can use apps, spreadsheets, or good old-fashioned pen and paper, whatever works best for you. The key is to review your progress often, at least once a month. This allows you to see how far you've come, but also to spot any issues early so you can adjust your plan as needed. Remember, this isn't a set-and-forget situation. Your financial plan is a living, breathing thing that needs attention and care. And as the old saying goes, what gets measured gets managed. Step 7. Develop a long-term investment strategy. Now this is where the magic happens. Picture your investments as a vibrant, diverse ecosystem. Each type of investment, be it stocks, bonds, real estate, or even cryptocurrency, is a unique species with its own benefits and risks. This is what we call diversification. It's like spreading your eggs across various baskets. If one basket falls, you still have others intact. A diversified portfolio helps to balance risk and return. It's like a safety net, cushioning the blow if one investment doesn't perform well. And here's the best part: while some investments are taking a little nap, others could be working overtime, growing your wealth. So, diversification is not just about protection, it's also about potential. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Your $1 million won't be either. It's all about patience and persistence. A well-planned strategy is the backbone of financial success. Step 8. Never stop learning. The journey to financial success is a journey of knowledge and understanding. As the world of finance is constantly evolving, it's crucial to keep up with the times. This means continuously educating yourself on financial matters. Invest in your financial education. Attend seminars, read books, subscribe to reputable finance blogs, or take online courses. The more you understand about finances, the better your decisions will be. Remember, financial literacy isn't just about understanding how money works. It's about understanding how money works for you. It's about understanding investments, interest rates, the stock market, and the economy. It's about understanding your financial rights and responsibilities. Consider this: every new concept you learn is another tool in your financial tool belt, another strategy you can use to reach your goal. Each nugget of knowledge brings you one step closer to that first million. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to finance. Step 9. Be resilient and persevere. In this journey of financial growth, you will encounter bumps in the road. It's not a question of if, but when. These setbacks are not roadblocks, but stepping stones on your path to $1 million. Take renowned investor Warren Buffett, for instance. He faced numerous downturns in the market, yet he didn't panic and sell. Instead, he held fast, trusting in his long-term strategies and the strength of his investments. Or consider the story of Jack Ma, who overcame countless rejections and failures before founding Alibaba, one of the world's largest e-commerce companies. Their stories echo the same truth. The road to success is not always smooth. It's filled with challenges, but it's how you respond to these challenges that truly matters. So when your investment portfolio temporarily decreases, remember to stay the course. Stick to your plan. Challenges are just opportunities in disguise. Finally, step 10. Plan to enjoy your success. The journey to your first $1 million is not just about the destination. It's also about the joy and fulfillment that comes from achieving your financial goal. It's about the freedom and opportunities that this kind of financial success brings. It's about the rewarding lifestyle you can lead, the luxurious trips you can plan, the dream car you can purchase, or even the charitable foundation you could establish. It's about savoring the fruits of your hard work and financial discipline. So take a moment to envision your success. Picture yourself reaching that all-important milestone. Set rewards for yourself once you reach your financial goals. These rewards can serve as powerful motivators that propel you forward during tough times. Always keep in mind that these achievements are within your reach. Remember, the journey to $1 million is not just about the destination, but also about enjoying the journey.